Hi, students. Let's talk a little bit about student privacy. It is important for you to know that UConn is required to comply with the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, commonly known as FERPA. FERPA is a federal law that gives college students, regardless of age, certain rights related to their student records. Under FERPA, students decide what, if any, of their information UConn shares with others, including their parents and families. Students also have the right to access their records and request that any errors be corrected. FERPA requires UConn to protect student records and keep student information confidential. UConn may only share your student records with your permission, except in limited circumstances. You are responsible for letting UConn know what type of information we may share and with whom by giving UConn your consent to share information. Your consent authorizes UConn to share records and information with the individuals that you designate. You may modify or revoke your consent at any time. UConn has made it easy for you to give your consent, and there are 3 primary methods depending on whether the consent is for talking with staff at UConn offices, viewing certain records in the student administration system, or making payments on your behalf. First, you can give your consent for staff at UConn offices to discuss certain information from your student records with a family member or other designee using a FERPA PIN code. You can create 4-digit PIN codes for authorized individuals, such as parents, so that they may talk with certain offices at the university about different categories of information. These categories include information related to academics and advising, global affairs, the One Card office, parking services, res life, student affairs, student conduct, career readiness, and the bursar. When your designee calls a UConn office seeking information about your records, they will ask your designee to verify the PIN code you assigned. Once the PIN code has been verified, that office may talk with your designee about the authorized categories of information. Second, you can also give delegated access to a family member or other individual to view certain student records in UConn's student administration system. Third, you can authorize a family member or other individual to make payments on your behalf by designating them as an authorized user in UConn's bill payment system. Guidance on how you can take advantage of these tools is available at privacy.uconn.edu under FERPA in the top navigation menu. Remember that you have a choice on what information UConn shares and with whom. We are committed to honoring your privacy rights while also giving you options to control the disclosure of your records and information. If you have any questions about FERPA and student privacy, please don't hesitate to reach out to the UConn Privacy Program directly by emailing privacy@uconn.edu.